if you no never call up, I wouldn't stay so. You know, it's so bad, so things are figure. God, for 400 years, I and I here and here and everywhere. Government and the wicked them a scare, said them care. Magwan like eagles, some magwan like beer. Still I out here, 100 a year, and come here like my Africa president. Africa no care, European no care, Asian no care. Down here, I'm sure my fat. So where them a chat, and I Rastafari, unify all of that. Traditional faith, them a come, them hate. Take I man, the jans we give to Africa become used against I and I, like bait to their Christianity and Islam. Faith, traditional tribal religion, allow and hate. So why you want to try fight against I-Ethiopia and I-Ethiopia? No get the book, no get the truth. The spirit come unto you from I to the world and the world. Them yeah, we heal them from their racism and schism. And we can hate I so Rastafari more. Against the emperor must overthrow. But them a wait for now. I never did a wait for Jesus Christ. Jesus come, Jesus Christ the Christ 2000 years ago. God man a walk, except you never know. Then what you want say, why look for that? For that to come talk and a walk and a chat. You must say fool, must say idiot. None of the believers come to no faith. Overstand the prophecy before it's too late. You said it's last days, then now what that you see. Now Ethiopia, then how I and I feel free. None of them never get to we. Simply Your Majesty, open the book, reveal to I, loose the 7 seals, open the mystery about the people carried behind the board. That them is children, sons of the house of Selassie. Them have to be free, them always free, because them are Rastafari. You know what that really means? It's a head creation, it's a head creator. Special place with the Father. Special place with the I-RIT. To them no know Jah make the Heavenly Father. The most I-RIT the I self. So the sons of perfection. So I and I knighthood. How them a fight I and I. Yeah the tree. I are the rod. I are the wood. I are the earth, the water and the air and the feather. Firmness of Jah rock. The pureness of Jah air, sweetness of Jah water, the burning heat of Jah fire. Love each other. Where them want to fight against I and I, brother. Say I know, you and I the lover. Say Haile, I know I the lover. Jah! Oh Jah! Rastafari, Selassie, I take that the whole Haile, I from I and I live I and I. Yes, I am saved. I save even I save Jah Rastafari. Cause enough of them now, then spirit. Yes, I am just spirit truly did die. You see them go deep within itself, and so them no more themselves and them more. Babylon, man and woman in Babylon live only in the mental and physical part of themselves. And forget about the spiritual part of oneself. And as Joshua I and I said, the spiritual part of oneself is one strength. Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie. Haile mean mighty, mighty mean powerful. Powerful means strength. Selassie I mean Trinity I. Trinity I mean chief force of life is a I. Chief force of life is the force of Jah, force of nature and force of man. All come together. in a one unity, one unity. Yearly Selassie I, brother God to I. So I and I living witness of the living God, Jah, Rastafari, Holy I.Rit and dwell among them. I and I, Selassie I. But Jah Rastafari shall plant I like a tree, planted by rivers of water. These are my rivers of water. Chapter 6 to the 7 I.RIT, the mind, 7 I.RIT, upon the throne, the 8. With the crown, which is the 9, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. There is no I.Jah, only Jah, Most High, which is 10, Godhead, creation. I give the word I was is I Selassie I am the word was with I Selassie I. All thing a word. I.RIT. The true I.RIT. The false I.RIT. And the truth and rights was the I mouth, meditation of the I heart. Return unto the I.RIT. Because some of them say them are Christians, followers. So there was in the beginning, so it be in the end. So come that, love Christ. Those say them a worship of God, come that, worship of God. Those say them a Rastafari, and I become that, like I.RIT, Rastafari. Selassie, Trinity, and I become that. See, and I become Buddhas, even Buddha enlightened one. And I all them things, Rastafari, because in the beginning, so shall be the end. I am the beginning and without my end. In a flesh, Rastafari. In a man. Blessed is I and I that walk not in the counsel of the murderers and thieves, and stand at the ways of the self-afflicted fools, and sit at the seat of the loafers. I and I light in the Lord the Most High, in the Lord the Mighty, I Selassie I do and I the day and night. And Jah, Rastafari will plant I like a tree, planted by the rivers of water, and bring forth I and I fruit in I and I season. But so however I and I do, I and I will receive it in a total truth. If I walk in the ways of the murderers and thieves and the self-afflicted fools and the loafers, I and I will not be in a truth, but to be unto I and I said like a broken vessel that been broke up in a pieces, scattered upon the face of the earth like dust. Therefore the murderers and thieves not standing in I judgment, nor the self-afflicted fools in the congregation love of Rastafari. For his imperial majesty emperor Haile Selassie I know the ways of Rastafari the righteous, but the ways of the ungodly, murderers and thieves will me perish. I say talk about lake of fire, man, them call it the lake of fire alive, and I see false prophet, beast and dragon there. See, them go on with them and go on with. But fire for them, no see it. Hot fire.